Muslims don't eat or drink up to 20 hours a day during Ramadan all over the month. During Ramadan, many focus on established self-control and relearning positive life-changing habits. People acquire patience, strong will, and discipline. Striving for Ihsan is the aim, which means righteousness and sincerity. Fasting has a lot of physical health benefit. Fasting may promote healthy guts, which in turn aids immune and digestive process. And studies have proven that Ramadan fasting also causes positive metabolism changes that may be associated with increased lifespan. Fasting is believed to reduce the risk of cancer biomarkers and markers of oxidative stress and inflammation, which greatly damage the blood vessel in the heart. According to the Archana Bajo, clinical dietitian at Burcha Hospital, Abu Dhabi, he also said fasting can boost anyone's willpower. If you think of willpower as a muscle, the more you work the muscle with exercise, the stronger and more powerful it will become. Exercise self-control like in Ramadan helps people refocus on psychological well-being and what is important to them. Now we are talking about some effective and useful things happen in Ramadan as little as possible. Dates. Although 3 days are eaten at the start of iftar every day during Ramadan for special result, they also come with the added bonus of multiple health benefit. Average serving of dates contain 31 grams of carbohydrate. This is one of the great ways of getting some much needed fiber, which will aid and improve digestion through Ramadan. They contain high levels of potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins, and it quickly becomes apparent that these are one of the healthiest foods out there. Boost your brain. A study carried out by scientists in the USA found that the mental focus achieved during Ramadan increased the level of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which causes the body to produce more brain cells, thus improving brain function. Ditch bad habit. Because you will be fasting during the day, Ramadan is the perfect time to ditch your bad habit for good. Biases such as smoking and sugary food should not be indulged during Ramadan. And as you abstain from them, your body will gradually acclimate to their absence until your addiction is kicked for good. In the UK, the Ramadan fasting model has been used by health department to reduce cigarette smoking. Lower cholesterol. We all know that weight loss is one of the possible physical outcomes of fasting during Ramadan. But there is also a whole host of healthy changes going on behind the scene. A team of cardiologists in the UAE found that people observing Ramadan enjoy a positive effect on their lipid profile, which means there is a reduction of cholesterol in the blood. Low cholesterol increases cardiovascular health, greatly reduces the risk of suffering from heart disease, a heart attack, or a stroke. Detoxify. As well as being great for especially cleaning yourself, Ramadan acts as a fantasy detox for your body. By not eating or drinking throughout the day, your body will be offered the rare chance to detoxify your digestion system throughout the month. Absorb more nutrients. By not eating throughout the day during Ramadan, you will find that your metabolism becomes more efficient, meaning the amount of nutrients you absorb from and improves. This is because of increase in a hormone called adiponectin, which is produced by a combination of fasting and eating late at night and allows your muscle to absorb more nutrients. On the other hand, eating the wrong food will counteract the benefit of fasting. In fact, overeating heavy meals with an excess of fried, oily or processed foods will not only nullify the benefit of fasting, they can even lead to negative health effects like gastrointestinal issues like indigestion, heartburn, bloating, belching, acid reflux, along with dehydration, fatigue, and irritability are common complaints during Ramadan.